Welcome to Dunder Data Python Challenge number 8. These are daily exercises to challenge your Python skills. Take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. So in this challenge, you are given a list of integers, and you need to total the even integers and odd integers separately, and then return the absolute difference between those two totals. So this sounds pretty simple. So let's take a look actually at some sample input. We need to find all the odd integers, and in this case they come first, 1, 3, 5, and 9, so that totals to 18. The even integers total to 22, and the difference between them is 4. The absolute difference between them is 4, and that's what we need to return. All right, so let's get started here. We can have two variables here. We'll create odd, even total, and odd total, so that'll be our starting totals. And then we'll just iterate through each number. So we'll say for num in a list, so we're given a single list, and so we need to determine if it's even or odd. So if num divided by 2, this is the remainder actually, so modulus 2, if num modulus 2, so if that equals 0, then we have an even integer, and then we'll increase the even total, say plus equals whatever that number is. Otherwise, we will increase the odd total like that, and then we just need to return the absolute value between the even total and the odd total. So that should do it. So we've executed that cell, we've inputted the function. Let's see the result of some sample output. So that looks good, and then the assert statement should also turn out fine. So everything looks good here. We've just initiated some even and odd totals. We've determined whether or not the value in each list is even or odd, and then just add that number to that total, and then just do the abs built-in function to make sure that we get a positive value of the difference between the even and the odd total. Okay, so that does it for Dunder Data Python Challenge number 8. If you enjoyed this challenge and would like to learn more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com. I provide a comprehensive path for mastering both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Below I have a few of my courses. Exercise Python will teach you the fundamentals of Python. Master Data Analysis with Python is an extremely comprehensive course that will teach you everything there is to know about using the Pandas library to do data analysis. And then my newest course is Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really fun and exciting course and teaches you all the steps for launching your very own dashboard with Python.